Let's divide 22 by 2. Hey super math stars, don't forget to like and subscribe to Let's Stud for more awesome math adventures. Alright, let's start dividing 22 by 2. Get ready. We'll use the first digit of 22, which is 2. We've got this. How many times does 2 fit into 2? You got it, it's 1. Let's check 1 times 2 is 2. Now subtract 2 from 2, that leaves us with 0, so close. Woohoo, you're doing amazing. Now let's bring down the next digit, which is 2, to make a new number. We're on to our next step, we have the number 2 to work with. We just brought down the next digit 2, now we have 2 to divide. How many times does 2 go into 2? Yes, it's 1. Let's multiply 1 times 2 equals 2. Subtract 2 from 2, what do we get? 0, we did it. Fantastic work, you're crushing this division problem. We've used all the digits and our final answer is 11, high five. We found that 22 divided by 2 equals 11. Great job everyone, we learned how to divide 22 by 2 step by step. Remember, long division is just like solving a puzzle and you're all puzzle masters. Keep practicing and you'll become division dynamos. Click here for more fun videos on Let's Stud.